Thanks, Mel. Good morning, everybody. Okay. You know how you watch those shows where it's like the burglar goes for a run and he's wearing the neon shoes that are all lit up and they track him in the dark and you're like, oh,
why would you
guy.
do that? Yeah, well, you weren't thinking. You are not a smart criminal.
Dumb criminals.
Yes.
Well, we have another true story for you that just happened. This you got to hear.
Yeah, let's go to the Clay County Sheriff's Department in Missouri. They were on a hunt for a suspect. They even brought out the K-9 unit to track down the scent of this suspect.
P.S. This sounds very Hudson and Rex.
Very Hudson and Rex.
We carry that show. Okay, so they bring out the dogs. There's a suspect on the loose.
And he farted.
Is that how you say it?
He farted.
Okay.
And it gave away this location.
So he was doing a good job of hiding. They were stumped.
They were stumped. And here's what they tweeted. If you've got a felony warrant for your arrest, the cops are looking for you, and you pass gas so loud it gives up your hiding spot, you're definitely having that emoji
Poop
of
emoji.
a day.
Hashtag Tuesday thoughts.
Yes, it happened.
Hashtag it happened.
Wow.
Well, you know, sometimes that happens, friends. And they say he was arrested over the weekend on a Clay County warrant for possession of a controlled substance. And they say, you know, we have got to give props to At Liberty, Missouri police for using their senses to sniff him out. So, of course, everybody is now talking about this. There's another one. Yeah,
they just kept on going with the puns. Thanks to Sheriff Clay County for airing out a wanted person's dirty laundry and fanning the flames. The Liberty Police Department was surprised to see this incident slip out, which stinks for the arrestee. Fortunately, no one was injured during his arrest.
Hashtag nervous belly, hashtag no comment, but you just commented with the comment.
Oh, boy.
Doesn't that happen to people every once in a while? Like, I remember once somebody came up to me when I worked at the art gallery, and they asked me a question, which was, where's the washroom? And before I could answer, and I was like, it's right over there on the fourth.
I mean, sometimes you can't control it, I guess.
Right? They had to go.
But I mean, choose your meals wisely before you're going to do something like that person might have done.
Sometimes it sneaks up on you. It's
sometimes.
The nerves or it's the, what can you do?
Nervous
we all
belly.
do it.
Nervous belly.
Okay. We'll be back with more BT right after this.
No nervous belly over here. We're good.
Is that?
Yeah.
Is that?
No.
Is that you?
What are you talking about?